Hey everybody, this is an update on our meat birds. They'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. They're getting pretty big. They're eating 3 to 4 pounds of food a day, which I don't think is too bad for 51 chickens. So, they are really getting big. They do remind me of the Cornish cross. They have the same body build, so it'll be interesting to see what they turn out to be. But we still have all 51. There's a little swing there. They like to get on that and walk around. And today I brought them a little bit of goose foot. Hopefully we're going to be putting them outside next week, so I wanted them to get used to having some wild greens, but they're not paying any attention to it yet. So they're all healthy, they're all doing good. So that's the meat bird update. And here's the turkey part of the update. They were 5 weeks old over the weekend, so I guess they're about 5.5 weeks old now, and they're really getting big. They weren't eating. That's their feeder, and they didn't eat for days and days. And my husband figured out that they were afraid of the feeder, wouldn't go near it, so they were only eating the things I was bringing them from the house. So now he just puts their feet on the ground and they eat it all up. Hi guys! Yeah. We can tell now we have 4 toms and 2 hens. And of course my favorite, Emo right there, is a tom. But we hatched them knowing we were going to be using them for meat, so that's just life on the farm. I also brought them some goose foot, hoping that they would try it and get used to some outdoor wild food. They won't be going outside for another 2.5 weeks. Turkeys are supposed to be at least 8 weeks old before they go out on pasture. Their immune systems aren't built up well enough until they're 8 weeks old to be able to go outside. So, they're going to check it out. I just brought them in some goose foot, lamb's quarter. That's Emo talking. So that's it for the Barnyard Bird update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.